Alright, for MPIAN. Keep that mojo going. Got a personal box here, a 2008. What was Leaf at the time. Leaf certified, Panini certified, whatever you want to call it. Personal box here of 08. Good luck to you. I was just saying, excited for this box. Hoping to see some good rookies. Alright, MPIAN, thank you very much. Once again, good luck to you. Alright, 2008 certified. Good luck. It's funny, these packs even feel like the old packs too. It's like a different feel to them. Nostalgia. Alright, MPIAN, good luck to you. First up, Fast Willie. Mark Bulger. Got some kind of card that's going to be numbered 267 out of 599. We'll see what that is shortly. Which way are these going? Alright, Derek Hagan, Dolphins. Braylon. This is probably that one year he was really good. Matt Schaub. And your first hit, I believe. Good luck to you. This isn't it. That was Bulger. Alright, first hit. And I think this is his rookie year. CJ. Freshman fabric. It's a jumbo Chris Johnson. 267 out of 599. Freshman fabric, jumbo, good player to get. Not bad at all. Yeah, I forgot all about Chris Johnson for 2008 rookie class. Alright, just got a decoy here. Brian Westbrook. Jamaal Charles, certified potential. It's a rookie. And it's number 450 out of 1,000. Colston. Joe Horn. Man, I used to like Joe Horn. He was with the Saints. And Matt Coke Problems Jones. Factory. Chris Cooley. Jim Marcus. It's going to be number 8 out of 250. Will be what I believe is your second hit, which we will get to shortly. Greg Jennings. Oh, so you an OS fan? We're both Redskins fans. Okay. Jarius Norwood. Brian Urlacher. And second hit, I believe. Is that Priest Holmes, fabric of the game? Nope, Jamaal Charles. Should be a rookie also. So you got Jamaal Charles, Chris Johnson for your 2 hits, both rookies. That was your base, Jamarcus Russell. That was Jamaal 8 of 250. It's not bad. And you had this Jamaal insert. So you got 2 hits so far, Jamaal Charles and Chris Johnson, both rookies. Alright. Vince Young, Phillip Rivers, Reggie Williams, Chester Taylor, and Jay Cutler. Santana, Greg Olson, Tavares Jackson, and Jeremy Shockey, back with the Giants at that time. Pack 6, I think. And Justin Fargas, Lindale White, remember him. It's going to be a hit. This is the back of the card. We'll get back to that. Marshawn Buffalo Face Lynch. I was mad when he went to Seattle because I couldn't call him Buffalo Face no more. Rex Grossman, Sidney Rice, and third hit. Stamp and a jersey. Devin Thomas. Souvenir stamps with a piece of a jersey over there. Don't see the souvenir stamps anymore. That was Lindale. This is 24 at 25. I don't see those anymore, really. Those stamps. Yeah, right. You got what, 4 packs to go? Yeah, 4 packs to go. LT. Eli, Gold Team. Eli is 985 out of 1,000. Debo, Selvin Young, and Rudy Johnson. Three packs to go. Jason Campbell. Brandon Jones. Wes Welker. Steve Smith. D'Amico Ryans. 2 packs to go. Alex Smith. Mendenhall, Certified Potential. Another rookie insert. That one's 45 out of 50. Calvin. Matt Leinart. Mark Clayton. Alright. Oh yeah, my fault. That was your auto. Hey, that's not bad. 45 out of 50. She got all rookie, well, Devin Thomas screwed it up. We have Mendenhall, Jamaal Charles, and Chris Johnson for your hits. This is your last pack. Cadillac, Aaron Rodgers, parallel of some sort, blue. It's going to be 30 out of 50. $30 out of 50. Julius Peppers, CO, and Plaques. Alright, so recap. Devin Thomas. Oh yeah, Mike, they definitely could have been a hell of a lot worse than that. 45 out of 50. Mendenhall rookie auto, certified potential short print. And then Jamaal Charles and Chris Johnson jumbo. She actually got decent rookies for 3 out of 4 of your hits. No offense to Devin Thomas, I actually thought he was going to be good back then, but could have been a hell of a lot worse. Not too bad. What's up, Clint? Alright, MPIAN, thank you very much for the purchase on the personal there.